Play your own part to conserve the environment and reduce the effects of climate change. Like this video and subscribe to Elle's Sprouting Hub for more fun and educational videos. See you in the next one. Have you ever wondered about the things we throw away? In our rush for the new, so much is left behind: perfectly good materials, forgotten stories. While families dream of a home, costs keep rising and the dream feels out of reach. It's a contradiction, waste piling up while people long for a place to call their own. But what if the answer is right in front of us? What if the materials for a home are waiting in salvage yards, demolition sites, or even on the curb? It takes vision to see a hardwood floor in shipping pallets or a sturdy wall in old tires. This is where creativity meets necessity, where overlooked potential becomes opportunity. This is the story of a family who dared to dream differently. They wanted more than a house, they wanted to challenge the idea of waste and redefine what it means to build a life. Their journey is a reminder the most beautiful things often come from the most unexpected places. With imagination and heart, you can build something extraordinary. It's about hope, resilience, and seeing treasure where others see trash. The Miller's story proves that a home can be more than shelter, it can be a statement. It's a call to look again at what we discard. What if the future of home building is about reimagining what's left behind? Sometimes the best beginnings start with what others leave behind. Let's see how the Millers turned discarded dreams into a home. Meet the Millers. Tom, a resourceful carpenter. Sarah, an artist who finds beauty in the forgotten, and their kids, Leo and Maya. Cramped in a city apartment, they dreamed of space, freedom, and a home that reflected their values. Rising costs and constant waste around them sparked a radical idea. Why not build a home themselves, using what others throw away? Around their kitchen table, the vision took shape: a house built from salvaged, reclaimed, and discarded materials. It wasn't just about saving money, it was a mission to prove that comfort and beauty can come from resourcefulness. They wanted every wall, window, and doorknob to have a story. The plan was bold, and people thought they were crazy, but excitement outweighed fear. They set out to show their kids, and maybe the world, that you don't need a huge budget or new materials to create a warm, safe, beautiful home. Their adventure was about to begin. The Millers were ready to build a life and a legacy out of what others left behind. They believed in mending, reusing, and honoring the past. Their journey would test their resolve, but also ignite their creativity. This was more than a project, it was a statement of hope. The Millers were about to turn vision into reality, and it all started with a single daring question: what if? The Millers became master treasure hunters, seeing gold where others saw junk. Demolition sites, salvage yards, and online giveaways became their playground. Every weekend the family set out searching for hidden gems. Old beams, mismatched windows, even champagne bottles destined for the trash. They learned to talk to contractors and business owners, sharing their story, and often receiving unexpected generosity. Not every hunt was successful, but each outing was an adventure. Sarah kept a wish list: a clawfoot tub, hardwood for the floors, a sturdy front door. When they found something on the list, it felt like winning the lottery. Leo and Maya learned to spot quality wood and negotiate for treasures. Their growing collection wasn't junk, it was a palette of possibilities. Each salvaged piece was a promise of the home to come. The process taught patience, persistence, and the art of seeing value where others see none. The Millers' dream was taking shape, one rescued item at a time. Their storage space filled with stories waiting to be told. Piece by piece, their future home was coming together. With their stockpile ready, the real work began. Building from scraps meant designing around what they had, not what a catalog offered. The foundation used rammed earth and old tires, labor-intensive but sustainable and insulating. Living room walls sparkled with champagne bottles, casting dappled green light. Salvaged lumber, cob, and reclaimed metal created a patchwork of textures and histories. Mismatched windows became a mosaic of light. Countertops sparkled with embedded sea glass and pottery. Floors combined gym hardwood, slate, and colorful tiles, each surface telling a story. Every challenge required creative problem-solving, from framing odd-sized windows to waterproofing a patchwork roof. The Millers weren't just building a house, they were co-creating with their materials, letting imagination lead the way. Their home grew organically, a living testament to resourcefulness and vision. The journey was far from easy. Rain, setbacks, and exhaustion tested the Millers' resolve. Skeptical neighbors and strict inspectors added pressure. Tom became an expert in unconventional building, proving their methods were safe. But for every challenge, there was support. A farmer helped dig the foundation, neighbors donated materials, and friends joined weekend building bees. The community's curiosity turned to admiration, and helping hands became part of the story. Shared work and laughter built more than walls. They built a sense of belonging. The Millers realized they weren't just building a house, but a community. Love, resilience, and generosity became the true foundation of their home. Stepping into the Miller home is like entering a living storybook. Light pours through a mosaic of windows, dancing across reclaimed floors. The fireplace, built from creek stones and a barn beam, anchors the space. Every detail invites curiosity. Countertops sparkle with sea glass, cabinet pulls are polished silverware, and walls are papered with old maps. Bedrooms are cozy and unique. Denim walls in Leo's room, a church pew window seat in Maya's, and a rescued clawfoot tub in the master bath. Each piece is a memory, a victory, a story of patience and vision. The house isn't perfect, but its quirks make it beautiful. It's a home alive with history, love, and creativity. The Miller's journey is written in every corner. This is more than a house, it's a masterpiece of memories. For the Millers, building a home was about building character. Leo and Maya weren't bystanders. They sorted screws, sanded wood, and learned to solve problems. They saw setbacks as puzzles, not failures. Tom and Sarah taught resilience, creativity, and the value of hard work. The kids learned to repair, reuse, and appreciate the story behind every object. Their relationship with stuff changed. They valued history over newness. These lessons shaped them into confident, resourceful kids. The house became a living legacy, a daily reminder of family courage and creativity. Every salvaged piece is a chapter in their story. The Millers built more than a home, they built a foundation for life. With imagination and purpose, they proved you can create something extraordinary from almost nothing. Their story is a blueprint for resilience and hope. The Miller home's story didn't end with the last nail. It became a local landmark, inspiring curiosity and admiration. The Millers opened their doors, sharing their process and hosting workshops on sustainable building. Their knowledge became a gift to the community, sparking new projects and shifting mindsets. Others began to see potential in discarded materials, starting their own reclamation journeys. The ripple effect was real. A single family's dream ignited a movement. The Miller house stands as proof. A home built with intention can inspire a whole community. The Miller's journey leaves us with a question. What can you see with new eyes? Their story is about vision, courage, and finding beauty in the overlooked. You don't have to build a house. Start small, refinish a curbside chair, mend your clothes, or turn jars into lanterns. Every act of reclamation is a victory against waste. Challenge the throwaway culture. Let your creativity lead. True design comes from heart and imagination, not a catalog. Let this story spark your own project. Share it, start conversations, and inspire change in your community. The Millers saw a home where others saw a landfill. What will you reimagine? Your next adventure might be waiting in plain sight. Now it's your turn. Every small step you take helps conserve our environment and reduce the effects of climate change. Whether you're reusing, repurposing, or simply making mindful choices, you're part of a growing movement toward a healthier planet. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Elle's Sprouting Hub for more fun and educational ideas on sustainable living. Together, we can build a brighter, greener future, one creative project at a time. See you in the next one.